Hello friends, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about an important and often misunderstood topic, the warning signs of dementia, a group of conditions that affect memory, thinking, and behavior. Dementia is a serious and frequently misdiagnosed condition. Have you ever had trouble remembering someone's name or forgotten where you put your keys? While occasional memory loss is common, there are other warning indicators that can point to a more serious condition like dementia. The term dementia refers to a general state of diminished memory, thinking, or decision-making that causes difficulties with performing daily tasks, rather than a specific medical condition. Although dementia is a dangerous illness, it's crucial to recognize its early symptoms so that you can seek assistance if necessary. We'll go over some of the most prevalent dementia warning signs in this video. What is dementia? Dementia is an umbrella term for a group of symptoms caused by disorders that affect the brain. It's characterized by a decline in cognitive abilities, such as memory, language, problem-solving, and decision-making skills that interfere with daily life. Early detection of dementia symptoms is essential for prompt diagnosis and treatment, which can slow the progression of the disease and improve quality of life for both the individual and their caregivers. Memory loss, particularly the inability to recall recently taught material, is the first and most prevalent warning symptom of dementia. It's common to forget names or appointments once in a while, but losing track of them frequently and failing to recall them later can be concerning. Other symptoms of memory loss include forgetting significant dates or occasions, requesting the same information repeatedly, and becoming more and more dependent on family members or memory aids for tasks they used to complete alone. Dementia patients may sometimes experience difficulty recalling skills they once possessed, such as driving a familiar route or following a recipe. Let's move on to the topic of trouble doing routine duties. Completing everyday duties that they have done for years might be difficult for those with dementia. This can involve having problems following a recipe, using a household appliance, remembering the rules of a favorite game, driving to a familiar place, handling money, or navigating a familiar neighborhood. Not only is it difficult to learn or follow the instructions, but it's also easy to forget how to perform these duties. A word of caution: before making significant changes to your diet, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are on medication. If you like what you've seen thus far, please click the like and subscribe buttons and the bell notification. Thank you for viewing. Another sign to watch out for is challenges in planning or solving problems. Individuals with dementia might experience changes in their ability to develop and follow a plan or work with numbers. They might have trouble following a familiar recipe or keeping track of monthly bills. Concentration and task duration can also be affected. Another serious warning indicator is being confused about the time or location. Individuals suffering from dementia may get disoriented regarding time, seasons, and dates. They may have trouble understanding something if it is not happening immediately, and they may sometimes forget where they are or how they got there. Another key indicator is trouble understanding visual images and spatial relationships. For some, vision problems can be a sign of dementia. Difficulties: they may have trouble telling color or contrast, reading or judging distance, which can make driving challenging. Another warning sign is any new word difficulties, whether writing or speaking. Dementia patients may find it difficult to participate in or follow a discussion. They could repeat themselves or halt in the middle of a sentence and not know how to carry on. Additionally, they can have problems naming a familiar object, struggle with vocabulary, or use the incorrect term. Another clue is misplacing items and losing the ability to follow your path. Dementia patients sometimes arrange objects in strange locations. They might misplace items and be unable to trace back their movements to locate them. As the illness worsens, people may occasionally accuse others of stealing. Decreased or poor judgment is also a warning sign. Those with dementia may experience changes in judgment or decision-making. This can include poor judgment with money, like giving large amounts to telemarketers or paying less attention to grooming and cleanliness. Dementia can affect one's capacity for making decisions, which can result in poor decision-making when it comes to things like taking care of oneself, handling money, or engaging in social activities. Dementia patients may struggle to solve difficulties or make bad decisions. Withdrawal from work or social activities is another indicator. a person with dementia may start to remove themselves from hobbies, social activities, projects, or other engagements they previously enjoyed due to cognitive difficulties or changes in their abilities. They may have trouble keeping up with a favorite hobby or sport. They may also avoid being social because of the changes they are experiencing. Let's talk about personality and mood changes last. Dementia patients may experience changes in their mood and personality. They may experience disorientation, suspicion, depression, anxiety, or terror. Dementia patients may go through mood swings, show unusual changes in their personalities, or become agitated, nervous, or despondent. Hallucinations or mood swings are other possible symptoms. In situations where they are uncomfortable, such as at work, home, with friends, or elsewhere, they could easily get agitated. Dementia is a complex condition, and recognizing the warning signs can be challenging. However, being aware of these signs can help you seek timely medical attention and support for yourself or your loved ones. Remember, you're not alone in this journey, and there are resources available to help you navigate the challenges of dementia. If you're noticing any of these warning signs in yourself or someone you love, it's important to see a doctor to get a diagnosis. Early diagnosis and treatment can help slow the progression of dementia and improve quality of life. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and comment down below with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the future. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.